Hello everyone, let's continue to learn maritime English with SMCP. So, cable, this is a chain connecting a vessel to the anchor, and also this is wire or rope primarily used for mooring a ship, and also this is measurement equal 100 fathoms or 1/10 of a nautical mile. Capsize, it means to turn over. This is very sad story of every ship, don't wish you that. Next, cardinal buoy, this is a sea mark, so a buoy indicating the north, east, south or west, that is the cardinal points from a fixed point such as a wreck, shallow water, banks. Cardinal points, so this is the 4 main points of the compass: north, east, south and west. Casualty, here it is a case of death in an accident or shipping disaster. This is set. Let's check this funny poster. Check, very useful word, you can use it very often. So it means to make sure that equipment is in proper condition or that everything is correct and safe. And also to regulate motion of a cable, rope or wire when it is running out too fast. Close couple towing, a method of towing vessels through polar ice by means of ice-breaking tugs with a special stern notch suited to receive and hold the bow of the vessel to be towed. Close up, it means to decrease the distance to the vessel ahead by increasing one's own speed. Usually use it in convoy in some channels. Compatibility of goods, it indicates whether different goods can be safely stowed together in one cargo space or in an adjacent hold. Vessel constrained by her draft, this is from Glossary. This is a vessel severely restricted by her draft and her ability to deviate from the course followed in relation to the available depth and width of navigable water. Convoy means a group of vessels which sail together, for example, through a canal or ice. Course, the intended direction of movement of a vessel through the water. Course made good, this is that course which a vessel makes good over ground after allowing for the effect of currents, tidal streams and leeway caused by wind and sea. COW, or COW, is crude oil washing, a system of cleaning the cargo tanks by washing them with the cargo of crude oil during discharge. CPA and TCPA, this is closest point of approach and time to closest point of approach. Limit as defined by the observer to give warning when a tracked target or targets will close to within these limits. Crash stop, an emergency reversal operation of the main engines to avoid a collision. Thank you guys, I wish you there is no crash stop in your work. Thank you for watching, see you next video.